يوصيكم الله في أولادكم للذكر مثل حظ الأنثيين.
Assalaamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this video, we will work through the example in exercise 8.1. This is within the chapter regarding distribution of the estate, and the answers to this exercise will be found at the end of the video. So in this example, the deceased has left behind £1,800, and the heirs that they have is a husband, a grandmother, a father, a mother, and a son. Okay, so this question, we're distributing the shares as well as that £1,800. So we'll start off by giving out the shares. The husband will get a quarter since there's a child. The grandmother will be mahjub because the mother is there. Remember, whenever there's mother, then all grandmothers will be mahjub. The father will get a sudus since there's a son. The mother will get a sudus as well since there's a son. And the son will get asaba. Next, we have to choose a base number. So we need the LCM of 4 and 6. And the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Therefore, the base number will be 12. A quarter of 12 for the husband is 3. A sixth of 12 for the father is 2. For the mother is also 2. And the remaining 5 shares will be given to the son. So that's all the inheritance questions complete like we normally do. Now we need to distribute that £1,800. So we use this formula. The formula that's in the book as well is we get the estate and we divide it by the base number. So we get the estate, which is £1,800, and we'll divide it by 12. And whatever answer we get, we just multiply it by each person's shares. So if we start off with the husband, we'll do 1,800 divided by 12 times by his 3 shares, and the answer you get is £450. Then for the father, we'll do the same thing. £1,800 divided by the 12 base number times it by 2 this time for the father, which equals £300. It's exactly the same for the mother. That's also £300. And for the son, we do £1,800 divided by the 12 base number and multiplied by the 5 shares for the son, which gives us £750. When you add all them up, it will equal the £1,800 that we started off with. So we can also present it in a formal manner. So I've kept the answer in the top right, and we can use this text that's provided in the kitab. I'll read it out. According to the facts presented in the query, after fulfilling all rights that precede distribution, i.e. the burial rights, the repayment of debts, and fulfillment of bequest, all remaining thresholds will be initially split up into 12 parts. So here is where we add the base number, which is 12, from which the husband will get 3 shares. So we just list the people that actually do inherit and how many shares they get. So the husband will get 3 shares, the father will get 2 shares, the mother will get 2 shares, and the remaining 5 shares will be given to the son. And we also mention those that are mahjub and why they are mahjub. So in the last sentence, and the grandmother will not be entitled to any inheritance due to the presence of the mother. That's why the grandmother's not getting anything. And finally, we can also present our answer for the ease of the person asking in a table format. So you write down the heirs, you write down the shares that they get from the 12 parts and the amount of money they get from the £1,800, and you can also do the percentage also for them. There's different ways to calculate the percentage. You can just do this, for example, for the husband, you could do the 750 divided by the £1,800 and then times it by 100. Or you could do the 3 parts out of the 12 base number and times that by 100. And inshallah, like this, you can give a formal reply. Jazakumullah.
ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم.